think I'm just so grateful to my director, Geetu. She's not here.
Oh my God. I'm going to ask you the same question. But here we have our actor, our fantastic star, our rocking star, Yash Garu. తనకంటూ ఒక ప్రత్యేకమైన స్టైల్ని, తనకంటూ ఒక ప్రత్యేకమైన చరిష్మాని సొంతం చేసుకొని కేవలం కన్నడ చిత్రసీమలోనే కాదు, తన సత్తాతో యావత్ భారతదేశాన్ని మెప్పించిన పాన్ ఇండియా స్టార్ గా our rocking star Yash Garu is here. With a style that's uniquely his own, with a charisma that is unmistakably his. He went beyond the boundaries of Kannada cinema, won the hearts of audiences across the nation, and with his sheer talent, won the hearts of audience across the nation. Here is a true pan-India star, our rocking star, Yash Garu. Telugu audience అందరి తరపు నుంచి బోలెడంత ప్రేమతో మీకు టాక్సిక్ ఈవెంట్ కి ఘన స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాము. Something amazing, a spectacular, a mind-blowing performance and a wonderful treat for all the film lovers. KVM garu ikkade unnaru and alage manaki Monster Mind Creations nunchi producer mana rocking star Yash garu ikkade unnaru and all the grown-ups, are you all ready? Okay, so Malla Reddy, never before laga ee roju manam witness cheyabothunnamu. We have our Yash Garu, Kiara and the complete cast and crew of Toxic. Mari ippudu mana kosam Suresh Verma garu and team oka special performance ni design chesaru. Let's have the special performance on stage please. Gurtu pettukondi, performance ikkada jaragali, akkada barricades